Hey everyone, is your phone showing the error Google Play services keep stopping over and over again? It's super annoying, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this and stop this issue for good. Let's dive right in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, try turning on your airplane mode. Then, after 10 seconds, turn it back off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear cache and data of Google Play services. Go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap See All Apps or search for Google Play services. Tap on it, then go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Storage. Solution 2. Check for Android system updates. An outdated Android operating system can lead to compatibility issues with apps like the Play Store. Go to Settings, then Software Update or System Updates, then download and install, or check for System Updates. Install any available updates. These methodical steps should effectively resolve the Google Play services keeps stopping error on your Android device. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.